What's up guys, welcome to my channel. This channel is about making your life easier, why you should or why you shouldn't buy it. So basically it's going to be positive feedback of why you should. I want to tell features about it. So basically I hope this video helps you on deciding about this product. Maybe you should buy it. So hope it helps you, like I said. And comment down below too what products I should review. I'll see if I can afford them. Basically, I'm just gonna review stuff maybe you'll enjoy, so just like, subscribe, and basically comment down below of basically what I said. So let's get into the review. So what we're gonna be looking at is the Apple Mac keyboard. So basically this is how it looks like. The batteries are inside, so basically you need like a coin to open it, or just long nails and open it. There's two batteries inside. So, and then the keyboard, basically this is how it looks like. Pretty thin on the top. So basically to type on it's pretty nice. I use this, but now I transferred to PC type. So to me, this keyboard was helpful, because like if you take those extra long ones, and this one's wireless, so those extra long ones have like an extra pad. I don't need a long one because I don't need like a big keyboard, because I already have one, and like what am I gonna do with that one? This one I just kept in my cabinet. So basically, yeah, so the top, it's pretty thin. There's no glowing lights on the bottom. So basically it's pretty nice. I like the feel of it, but I like the feel of my PC keyboard a little better, so since they're bigger. So yeah, it's basically on the back we will be looking at is the Apple logo. Then this is probably for the wireless connection. The rubber things on this back, so you can keep it in place and not slide it around. So, and then you have like the FCC labeling, or not FCC, but you got some labels. Designed in California, all the text right here. Some more rubber. Yeah, so basically that's all that's on this keyboard, and I hope I helped you. And I got one more thing. I hope I helped you guys decide if you want to buy the Mac keyboard or the Windows from my previous videos. So if you're a Mac user, I recommend buying the wireless keyboard for the Mac. So basically you can check out my previous video for the PC keyboard. Right here it's going to be an annotation right here to watch it if you're on a computer, and a card right here if you're for the PC keyboard video, so if you're on a mobile device. So just comment down below if this helped you decide, and then just check out my other video for the PC keyboard. So thanks for watching, and like, subscribe, and subscribing helps me to make good videos. And yep.